suck me off. Yeah, they call me Fly Man, I am the mob boss. Like Sammy the Bull or Mr. Castellano. Yeah, I do the thing like Mr. Gravano, and I don't stop. Yeah, I mob like Italianos, but I do my thing, never eating at McDonald's. Only Roof Chris, tell your chick, give me kiss. Pucker up, if you a hater then knuckle up. All we do is smoke weed, in the car we chuckle up. Buckle up, but the seats is Gucci, and your girl give me coochie, and I ball like sushi. Yeah, I ball so raw, and your girl give me jaw. Every day I hit it raw, in the back of the stall. They call me Fly Man, yeah, you wanna try it, die, man. Yeah, well, I'm the boss, so you workers just comply, man. Just comply, die, you gotta ride or die. When I'm riding high, in the 303 the Mile High. Yeah, I smoked a lot, blueberry, yeah, the nice indica, and I smoke sativa, fly on the reefer. Yeah, I get it cheaper, on a discount. Yeah, your girl never dismounts, on a discount. Yeah, she give it up for free. Yeah, your boy charge a fee, sicker than HIV, but I ain't got the disease. You know I spread like fleas, in Hawaii blowing trees. That's word to my bro Lino, and you know I got a scar face, no Al Pacino. Yeah.